If you enjoy listening to your favourite radio station whilst in the shower, then the Splash waterproof shower radio from UK home accessory specialist iBox was designed with you in mind. Main features include DAB/DAB Plus and FM tuners, IPX5 showerproof, 60 presets, 30 DAB and 30 FM, built-in rechargeable battery, hanging strap with integrated aerial, 3.5mm headphone socket, and a USB-C charging cable. Setup is simple. To charge your iBox Splash radio, use the USB-C cable provided. A handy battery icon will show you when it's fully charged. The date and time will set automatically soon after the Splash receives a DAB signal. Press the mode key to turn on the radio. Press the button again to change between DAB, DAB+, and FM stations. Listen to your favourite stations at the touch of a button by using the 1 to 4 quick presets. To set a preset, simply tune to the station that you want, press and hold down the preset button, then the preset number button that you want to store it to, and it's there when you need it. You can store and recall a further 26 DAB and 26 FM stations using the preset menu. If you have limited time to get ready in the mornings, then use the shower timer function to remind you to get out of the shower. You can set it to turn off the radio after 5 to 90 minutes. The iBox Splash is an ideal gift and comes with a USB-C charging cable and a handy user guide.